To be fit and healthy, you need to be physically active, right? So by doing your regular fitness activities, you can prevent some serious diseases like diabetes, mental illness, some other heart problems like heart attacks, heart strokes. So in these regular fitness activities, cycling is the best one. And most of the people prefer cycling because it's the easiest and cheapest. So in this video today you are going to know some benefits after cycling. So let me introduce myself. I am Manish and you are watching MAV5. So please, if you like the video's content, press the grey color like button and make sure that it turns into blue.
Like a Hellcat.
Cycling is a simple and a low impact exercise also. So the one best thing I like about cycling is cycling can be enjoyed by the people of all ages like younger children to older adults, right? So this is as easy and simple way to be fit, and this is also good for environment. So when you compare with the other forms of exercise, cycling gives you less strain and low impact also. So when you pedal your cycle, when you cycle, the major muscles which are present in your legs get a good workout because you pedal. When you pedal, the major muscles which are present in your legs get a good workout. So unlike some other sports, cycling is the simplest and the best. This will be the easiest form of exercise because cycling don't need high levels of physical skill, right? Just pedaling the cycle, that's it. That's give you a best workout also. So we all know how to ride a cycle, don't you? So the best thing I like in cycle is, so when you learn how to ride a cycle and you don't forget it, after riding a cycle you can see a great improvement in your strength and stamina. And also by riding a bicycle, it improves you can improve your aerobic fitness. So cycling is not only used for exercise. Most of the people use cycling to go to shops, and for example children used to attend schools also. So cycling will be the great exercise to lose or to control your weight because cycling raises your metabolic rate. Cycling is not only for bringing up a good muscle but also to burn your fat. It is a comfortable way to burn your fat. And are you trying to lose your weight? So combine cycling with your daily eating plan. Poor in diet also. So do you know one thing? A research suggests that a human being must burn 2000 calories per week, and you can burn 300 calories per hour by cycling. 300 per hour, 2000 per week. That means you can do cycling 1 hour a day. That will be enough to your health. And if you can't afford 1 hour, if you can't do cycling 1 hour, you can divide your workout like morning 30 minutes and evening 30 minutes. That will be the best workout if you are busy and if you can't. Diabetes became a common disease among us. Doctors say that diabetes are developing because of lack of physical activities done by humans. So a large scale research which is conducted in Finland said that people who are cycling 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes per day, are having 40% lower risk of developing diabetes. 40% lower risk means that give a great change at your health. So please cycle 1 hour, at least 1 hour means, as I said, morning 30 minutes and evening 30 minutes per day. That give you a great workout. So mental health conditions like stress, depression and anxiety can be reduced by daily cycling. So this is due to the enjoyment, the fun and the exercise itself, the fun, the enjoyment you feel while riding a cycle. So I hope you like this video. As I said at the introduction, hit grey color like button and make sure that it turned into blue. And to watch more interesting and fitness videos like these, subscribe to Mav5.